Hi and welcome to another Walnut Heroes video. The first fresh video of the year with new unseen content, which is completely rubbish because nothing happened so far. And as you can see or not, because there is not a lot to see, we are in the icy and frozen Nürburgring area with my man Konstantinos here, ready and up for a battle again. Not really. Yeah, it's time to see what happened in the last 2 months, which is not a lot really.
And the whole Nürburgring scene, for that matter, is taking itself so seriously. And we don't like it.
You can take whatever the fuck you have,
Take it
and
and
go
drive.
out and drive it.
Yeah. So we are at the Lommam Museum in the Netherlands. We got my MX-5 to be commissioned and maybe ready to go into the collection. But
This sounds completely like bullshit. They don't want the SX. Neither the Ring Banana. That's an iconic car.
first
we are
of all,
here.
first of all, we are going to check the collection and then we drop the car. Just
We are here to see this.
it's really cool. And I see a couple of gems already. So in December and January, my man Gabriele Piana has managed to break some different cars in 3 Spanish racetracks, Monteblanco, Ascari and Portimao. And he actually started his racing season this year in Dubai, in the 24-hour race. The guy behind the camera though had a bit of a problematic winter, and the moment his final gear failed, he decided to remove engine, gearbox and rear axle, as you probably heard already.
Right about now, Sergio would try to convince you that he didn't do anything special this winter. However, this is not true. Him and Kostas number 2 have been actually shredding the mountains, enjoying life in the beautiful French Alps.
Shredding the mountains. One lap hero style. And there is Mr. Vega in the back. French Alps.
That looks quite cool to me. What is not cool is the fact that Kostas number 2 has actually sold his K20 S2000. This car is not gonna be anymore with us. However, we're gonna come back to this in a future episode, and maybe there is some K20 action happening after all, but not in that car. And that brings us to someone that still has his S2000, Andrea. If you follow One Lap Heroes, you know that Andrea didn't have a very good season. So he decided to spend his winter break in a place that doesn't remind him cars. He actually went to Zanzibar and he took romantic photos in the sunset. I don't really get these things. At least he was wearing a Ring Banana t-shirt doing it, so that makes it almost okay. And to close everything off, our own Mehmet, Thomas. The only One Lap hero that actually did something of importance this winter. And what was that? A kid. Yes, a kid. Thomas is the father of a beautiful son. And although this might mean that we're not gonna see Mehmet's BMW a lot, we still hope he doesn't sell it and he does something cool with it. But even if that doesn't happen, we still wish him from our hearts the best. Thomas, you did the right thing. Now, back to our video. So, Sergio said that he wants to see some special Toyotas. This is our favorite one. So my man Sergio is having a Toyota hard-on boner there, over there, but he doesn't know that there's even more impressive stuff coming.
Is this the Prius that you were talking about before?
No. This is the slightly more special Toyota that Sergio was very happy about seeing, but still, this is not it, huh? if you think that this is gonna be the coolest Toyota we're gonna see today, it's not. There is another one. However, I want to make a small parenthesis in this, and I want to talk about something completely different. Many years back, I have been at the Porsche Museum with my very good friend Nikos on the way to the ring. And while we entered the Porsche Museum and I saw all these cool cars inside, I said, one day I will actually buy my own 911. Εγώ μια μέρα αυτό, τέλος πάντων κάποιο που θα μοιάζει πάρα πολύ με αυτό, ή μάλλον δεν θα μοιάζει καθόλου με αυτό, αλλά θα είναι καθρί.
Θα πάρω ένα σκαραβαίο.
Εγώ θα πάρω ένα...
Θα πάρω ένα Beatles.
Και μάλακα, κοίτα λίγο, αυτό αμάξι λέει Κώστας. Όχι σε αυτήν την κατάσταση.
Έχεις ένα δίκιο σε αυτό.
Όχι σε αυτήν την κατάσταση, όχι σε αυτήν την κατάσταση. Λίγο σάπια και να πέφτουν λίγο τα φανάρια τα πίσω και τέτοια. And I remember clearly my friend Nikos laughing and me laughing also inside, but a couple of years after I actually did. And now we're gonna do something that is very similar. This is it. And maybe not in that color, and maybe not exactly like this, but one day I'm actually gonna own one. And this has to be on camera. One day I'm actually gonna own one of these. I don't know why I want it, I don't know what is the thing that it does inside me, but it does. This room is the main reason we visited, and Sergio will tell you why in a little bit, but first I have to explain something. We are in a room full of endurance cars, and we have to explain to you why there is no Ring Banana Ascari video. Sergio? All of you that you have been waiting the Ascari film, I want to really apologize. All this delay is because of me. I had some personal problems that actually stopped me from being able to edit the film. However, I'm making our best, biggest, baddest, coolest film you've seen with me, Sergio and Gab inside. It's going to be more about our friendship and how we actually decided to do this project and how we actually bonded through it than the actual race. Even if you're a Ring Banana fan and you're falling for every single episode to this day, 90% will be new material. I hope you will wait for the film. It's going to be the next thing that you're going to see. For now, enjoy this beautiful, beautiful race car.
What? It's cool, no? Or not?
Την αρνιάτα είναι... The problem is that we thought the previous room was special, but this, Sergio, we speak always about Japanese cars, maybe the occasional Porsche, and actually 70% of what we like about Italian cars is here in this single room.
I actually don't see a lot of things not to like in this room. This is...
Is it the most special Toyota ever built?
It is the most special Toyota.
I think it is.
It is the most special.